them with heating.
Huh? Okay. Okay, this is yeah. This is good. Das ist gut. Now I can't leave. But they hä?
I think we just lock and surrender.
Yeah, I can just yeah. Oh, bro. Nice. Yeah.
We locked for surrendering, but it's weird that you cannot take the lobby out.
Yeah. Yeah. Then.
Custom.
Yeah. Let's just wait. I don't pick a god and then is everything fine.
But if you lock, we depart earlier. That's why we locked it instantly. Because I think it go. You say that it's like leaving the lobby if you don't lock.
I think so. Yeah.
It could be interesting to find it out actually.
Yeah, why not? Nice start.
The important is not the end, but the journey.
Yep.
You're right. It goes out. Your method is faster. You always learn new things.
And let's set up this fast as can. Zack. 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 Drive. Oh, fuck off.
Which gods they got, by the way?
Bullshit. 2 versus 2. Ah, now I have set up it. Nice. Now it has to be. So you have the invite. Rudolz, danke dir für dein Follow. So you're in. Wait, I'm going to. Wait.
Ich muss da irgendwas machen.
Ja, lol, was war denn das? So, I'm here. Ah, now it goes. Right, nice. So, let's fetch. Let's hop the baguette. Actually, I don't know what they got. Bellona and Ishtar.
Super physical.
Yes.
Actually, it's better if you build like hybrid.
Yeah, I said it like a bruiser. Yeah.
I think it's best to start with the breastplate.
Let's fucking go! Oh, I'm so hyped. Let's go.
Also because you would be the only person to be eliminated twice from the tournament.
New world record.
For real.
Play the tournament twice. Yeah, then let's fetch, right? I think I'm going cooldown. This one. This one. Yeah, I'm right. I'm hopping the baguette.
top it.
Be quite like this one. Maybe, wie ist denn der Ton? Allgemein, Spiel und ich. Ich bin wahrscheinlich etwas laut. Oder ist alles tutti? Hallo, huhu. Alles klar, Dankeschön. Bierhack. Ah, shit. Here we go again.
They have a good team too.
Yeah, for sure. But we can try to focus Ishtar. Ah, Bellona goes also full damage. Nice, okay.
We play for the end game.
Yeah. If there is an end game.
Yeah. So long since I didn't play.
Okay. Yeah, let him clear, let him clear.
Sorry, I'm always aggressive.
No problem. Range was not enough. Jungle buffs in 9.
I got the ice in 1.
I'm jumping in. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Everything works fine.
Everything is fine.
Yeah, buddy.
Actually, I was stupid and left them all the buffs. Oops.
You know that you can send your dog on the tower, right?
I tried before, but I couldn't hit it.
Okay.
But I need to try again. I never played much Skadi.
Are you? No?
No,
Okay.
but it's okay.
God, I can't even hit an auto attack. Bro!
Buff left soon.
Yep. Ult's ready.
Mine too. Ah, such a miss.
Keep an eye out for any new.
Now we have to focus Bellona.
Now you have the baguette ready.
Yeah. Dios mio, Baguetto. Okay, Bellona ult down. Dash down.
GG. Yeah, let's go take the buff.
Yeah, for sure.
Time, I don't want to leave it.
Dash down.
Fortunately, I have nothing. Let's go maybe take the jungle buff.
Yeah.
I think we can do first left and then we get in time for this one.
Could be, yeah.
Also, I have 4k, I think.
Yeah,
I
the
should
next
die.
next time. Okay, they got the buff in the mid. No problem.
Okay,
Next
scenario,
time when we
I
got the,
died under the tower.
yep,
I got my ult in 20.
me too.
Take it chill. Let them come.
Yeah, let the wave come. I have no control the wave a bit. Oh shit! Ult's ready.
They want.
They're going for you. Ulti also down.
I did actually shit with my ult. I had it ready a little bit before I didn't notice.
Oh no, mamma mia!
Sono formaggi.
Ha! The greed was real.
Yeah.
Let me try to dive they. No shit! Oh, just wipe. Oh, fuck off, mate. Shit.
It happens.
Yeah. I actually didn't know. I don't know. Should I take Witchblade or the other shit? What was this Midgard?
Were you okay with the mana?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So you can take either the Jotuns for the cooldown or the Blowers for the heal, because Bellona can heal a lot and also the AD carry
Yeah.
heal some heal. In fact, I'm doing the Toxic Blade.
Ah, let's go. Second item is then Witchblade.
I got the ulti.
Full cooldown then, and let's go! Me too, yeah. Orphan is again on the way to feed them. Nom 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 nom.
They are now both building physical defense, by the way.
Yep, I see. Off on the right. Ah, you got the shell too, nice.
You just need to be careful to stay out of range of Bellona.
deserve an upgrade.
Pick the buff. Now let's push.
Yep. I got the shell, by the way, a second active.
Nice.
And we try to send again the dog to our tower.
Yeah. I have to leave, I have to leave. Oh shit. Come, the buff left. Right. Ulti in 10. Luna's coming too.
25 seconds to the ulti. I was too greedy. Try to...
Yeah, I saw.
As
Oh.
usual.
Ishtar's back in the game.
Bellona, where is she? Oh, there she is.
Comes here.
That's back.
Bellona ult down.
Yeah. Ah, they really camped for it. They were greedy too.
Yeah. No, I don't hop the baguette on them.
Really has the eye of the tiger.
Ulti down. Do you have shell? Oh, nice. Oh, let's go for the tower. We got a buff here.
I think I can get her. Or maybe not.
But I need to take the buff. Take the buff in the mid, if you can. I try to come. Oh no!
Great shame.
He was good. Yeah, just the ulti back up.
Oh shit.
I think
That's-
you can kill her or go for the tower too. And also I take this chance to buy items.
I let her come. Ah, she takes the wave. Ah, we farm now. I think I'm going to die too. I got 4k.
Yeah, go. Do as you please.
Okay. Billion. What's up? I think I have to wait 50 gold maybe for the void shield.
Okay.
Could be
Your time.
with, yeah, has to be around about 30 gold, I think. Okay, 40. So last item is what? Bluestone. In English, please. Ja! Ja, Bluestone wäre eventuell wirklich besser gewesen, aber Ishtar und Bellona, wir zwei Füss, da muss man mal mit Voidstone ein bisschen ran hier. So, dann let's fetz. Schwarzstein.
Ultimate Inca.
Nice.
GG.
The tower is mine. But a nice stun from Ishtar, by the way.
Yeah.
I got the actives up, both. Ulti in 30.
So bad. I got the Phoenix.
Oh shit. Let's go for the kill. Oh damn. Nice, dude. Send your doggo, send your doggo, send your doggo.
I'm so noob.
Luna's coming too.
Yeah, she's gonna ult my ass.
I can peel. Try to peel.
Yeah, try to bait a bit.
Let's
Archer
take the buff.
is
Let's take the
yeah.
buff.
Let's not be greedy for once.
No. We have to use one time, at least one time, our brain.
Big,
Take the buffs in the mid.
I'm going for jungle buff.
Okay.
Oh, Hoonbutts with no voice pack. Then I humping the baguette.
You were the sweetest of that.
the baguette like not tomorrow. Let's go for the other one too.
It's going to have Schimmel. Don't know how to say it in English.
Schmetterling.
Shitty ass stinky thing. Nee, ich weiß nicht, was das ist, aber Mold, okay. Schimmel ist Mold. Kings, was ist? Animosity. Das klingt wie eine Geschlechtskrankheit. Oh, damn.
You one-shotted me.
Yeah, I saw this. I have to get out my ass. Ach so, dieses Dinge da, was man hauptsächlich mit Vamana auf Attack Speed nimmt, wäre wahrscheinlich. Dass sie pro Gesundheit dann den magischen Schaden dazu gibt. Get the actives up, ja. Give Luna ult down.
I'm still dead, unfortunately. Incoming now.
Oh, bro.
Yes.
Ooh, shit. No, damn.
He didn't deserve it, bro.
Back up and fight.
Ah, damn. This one. Oh, doggo go for no shit. Nah, nice.
I'm good, right?
Your teammate destroyed a middle enemy Phoenix.
Oof, I took so much damage. Shoo.
We need to be careful. Let
Yeah.
them be greedy, not us.
But actually we can try to hit Ishtar
yeah.
a bit.
Of course. But as soon as Bellona resurrects, but we can go back. Also because I have 50 seconds to the ult.
Yeah, my ult's ready. Hello, Marvin.
Ten seconds. Don't know, bro. What you say?
Let's try it.
Ultimate is down.
Still no ulti. So be here. We can fight here with the fire minions if you want.
Yeah.
An enemy has been slain.
But this was a Bellona ult also down.
Even
Nice one.
outnumbered, you will never fall. They should beware your killing spree. The battlefield has grown silent.
GG.
Yeah, what can I say? GG.
You like the comeback, don't you?
Oh yeah. I'm dripping. Please don't die now.
Then thank the Titan.
Yeah, I'm on it. GG. GG. Let me do this one. Hello, guys.
Ihr wart einfach besser. Ihr wart einfach besser.
GG. GG.
guys.
Sagt mal alle Hallo im Stream. Was geht?
Hallo.
Das ist mir unangenehm.
Ach, jetzt aber. Nee, hat Spaß gemacht. War auf jeden Fall echt geil.
Ja.
Richtig.
Ja,
richtig
ja,
Bock
für
gemacht.
euch, ja, das ist mir klar. Das ist
Ach,
mir klar.
jetzt aber. Es gibt keine schlechten, es gibt keine schlechten Verlierer. Es gibt nur welche, die einfach nicht gewinnen können.
Alle achte.
Ach,
Nee,
alles
ihr wart,
cool, mein
also,
Gott.
Touché, ihr wart einfach besser.
War
kann man
richtig
nichts
gut. Ja, mit den richtigen Göttern kriege ich auch das Richtige hin, ne?
Aber wie gesagt, plan uns ein fürs nächste Mal. Wir sind dabei.
Auf jeden Fall. Ich hab euch im Hinterkopf. Nice. Ja, dann würde ich sagen,
A very aggressive game. Nice assault.
danke, dass ihr alle dabei wart. Gewinner stehen natürlich jetzt fest und die nächste Runde folgt. Auf kurz oder lang. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüssi. Jekyll,
Yep.
drop your Tschüssi in the chat.
Juicy. Juicy to everybody. To all my German friends.